We are a Bloom official household, and this is my favorite flavor. So, side note, I am kind of happy, kind of sad. It is time for me to take down my Bora braids. And if you're anything like me, you already know that brings about a few emotions. It's like I'm ready for them to go, but I know as soon as they come out, I'm gonna miss them. And then I'm gonna be ready for something else because now I gotta deal with my hair. And it's just a whole roller coaster of hair that a lot of people are familiar with. Anyway, in honor of that, I wanted to find the easiest, quickest method to taking down Bora braids because, as most people know, these are a little bit different than boho braids because there's way more human hair that's in there, way more hair than braid. You really can't even see the braids most of the time when I have it down, so that's how much hair is in there. But I was really worried about that in the beginning because I'm like, who's gonna take it down? Because even just taking down regular braids is too much. And then these are extra small. It's a lot of hair. It's just a lot going on. And about a year ago, maybe a little bit more than a year ago, I was taking out some braids and I cut at the root. Girl, my arms were so tired. I was so tired. I think I was delirious. I just needed them braids out. I was ready to just start yanking them out. And I think I just started getting lazy, and literally for 3 braids, it happened 3 times, I cut at the root, and just because it was boho hair, it was just a lot. And you can't see, the hair has grown back now, but I'm just letting you know that it has happened to me before I even got these installed. And shout out to Studio 92 Braids for doing a fabulous job on my hair. I absolutely adored these braids. I got so many compliments. I've actually gotten more compliments now with them being older than I got when they were newer. I don't know, it's very weird. But I searched high and low to figure out this removal method for Bora braids, and I got it figured out, and I can't wait to show you guys. It's the quickest, easiest way to take these braids out. All you're gonna need is some Bloom Super Powder. Oh wait, what else do you need? Oh, this too. And eyebrow brush to like get the hair out. Hold on, I'm gonna show you the exact process. We're going to take this bun down, take these braids out, and figure out what's next, because y'all know I made a hair calendar earlier this year to make sure my hair stays done all year. So I know what's next. I'm going to share with you guys what's next once we get these braids out. So let's go. I'm going to show you guys the quickest, easiest, best way to take out your Bora Bora braids. Come on. Yeah. This is it, y'all. This is the technique. The quickest, easiest way to take your Bora Bora braids out is to go back to who put them in and have them take them out. Because not me. But yeah, Studio 92 is gonna get me right. They got me right before. Now they're about to get me right and get these braids out of here. Because if I was at home taking these out, easily a couple days. But with some help, I'm gonna say, like, my guess is 3 hours. So we'll see what happens. Look at my. So the process obviously is just cut the hair out first and then just take the braids down. But it's easier when you can see and the hair is in front of you instead of cutting up here. Remember I told y'all I cut my real hair before, so we don't have time for that again. I'm gonna miss these braids. They were so cute. We had so much fun together. She started at 3:11. It's 3:28. Time check, 3:38. Girl, they can never be me. She's moving at lightning speed. So when I told you this is the fastest way to get your braids out, this is the fastest way. My anxiety could not take the thought of having to take these out by myself. Dang, 3:52. 3:52, all that other hair is out of there. Should I just leave these in? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. I'm just kidding. Not a bob. Yeah. They kind of eat, but nah. They gotta go. Yeah. Dang. She's moving so fast, y'all. Like, there's just no way. I can't go back. I can't go back to taking these braids out. You're gonna be done in no time. And I love that for me. Actually, why do these little like bob braids kind of eat? I look-key wanna keep them in there, but we won't. Now it's fast? I know that's right. That was already fast. Like 3:58. I just got here, y'all. I'm talking about 3 hours. Ain't no way.
No way, 3 hours.
That was like
2 hours.
maybe not even that.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, we'll see. Maybe, yeah, 2 hours probably, but I guess like.
How many hours is the braid?
To get them, it was like 7.
7?
Maybe it was like 6 to 7, yeah. But because there was only one person for the first couple hours, and then the last it was 2.
Okay.
We love that. Y'all heard 2 hours. It's gonna take y'all at least like 5 if you're doing it by yourself.
Oh yes.
Yeah, if you're by yourself, you can't see.
No, yeah.
It's so much harder.
That's hard.
I don't have time. I don't have the mental capacity right now.
Oh.
Time check 4:33. It has been an hour and a half. And yeah, I'll be out of here very soon. I missed my braids already, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be so cute. Ooh, child. Sorry. Yes. Ooh, okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Haven't been able to scratch my scalp for some time. 2 hours exactly. She started at 3:11 and finished at 5:11. And now, time to wash, because this is I hate this part of taking braids out. The little product buildup, edge control, oil, all the things. I might need to see if they can throw some French braids in here, because I don't know what I'm supposed to do once it's washed. Alright, I am in love. Studio 92 brought me back to life. I loved those Bora Bora braids, but it was time, honey.